In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to move the goalkeeper in EFC 26. There are two simple ways to control your goalkeeper. The first method is when the opponent has the ball, we have to hold Y on Xbox or triangle on PlayStation. This will make your goalkeeper rush out from the goal line and move straight toward the ball. It's a great way to pressure the attacker and force them into making a mistake. The second method is manual control. You can move your goalkeeper using the right analog stick on either Xbox or PlayStation. This helps you adjust your position, especially during free kicks or one-on-one situations. Now in case you wanna move your goalkeeper while the opponent is taking free kick, then press X on Xbox or square on PlayStation to move your goalkeeper left. And if you wanna move him right, then for that press B on Xbox or circle on PlayStation, and that's how you can move your goalkeeper while the opponent is taking free kick. You can even combine both methods, rushing out while slightly adjusting your position to give yourself the best chance to stop the opponent from scoring, and that's how you move goalkeeper in FC 26. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and like this video. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.